Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an initiating coverage. Our analysts initiate viewpoint coverage on Arvind Smartspaces with a positive view and expect a 30% upside, led by strong growth visibility driven by business scalability, well supported by its capital efficient model and positive sector outlook. Arvind Smartspace scaled up project portfolio of 60 million square feet with asset-light JDA model, offer unique geographic and development position, backed by credible management team and distinguished group legacy. It is expected to generate rupees 2000 crore plus OCFs from existing project pipeline over 3 to 4 years and is slated to grow sales booking at 30% plus CAGR with expected scaling up of project pipeline to rupees 8000 to 9000 crore by FY24 end. Periodic promoter fund infusions, strategic partnership with HDFC Capital Advisors and unlevered balance sheet is expected to materially scale up operations. Next, we have an update on Coromandel International Limited. Our analyst maintains buy on Coromandel International with a revised price target of Rs 1430. The tighter global fertilizer market will result in higher prices of imported fertilizers, while additional government fertilizer subsidy of Rs 13,351 crores could boost demand for fertilizers and improve companies' financial performance in short term. Companies' focus on CDMO and specialty chemical is the right step and could drive meaningful growth in the medium to long term, apart from strong contribution from core fertilizer CPC business. The introduction of innovative products like Nano DAP not only provides incremental revenue along with margin improvement, as management expect Nano DAP to generate 20% operating profit margins. Future technology like drones for the agrochemical space will provide a new platform to expand into the adjacent market and offer new services. Company backed order for its logistic drone from the Indian Army and agriculture drones from IFCO, and current order book stood rupees 165 crore, which provides decent revenue visibility. We expect company's PAT to grow by 10% over FY23 to FY26, along with a high ROE of 21% and ROCE of 28% in FY26. The valuation of 14.9 times its FY25 and 13.7 times its FY26 estimated EPS seems reasonable considering the healthy growth outlook.
For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing. Investment in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.